Hello everyone, I'm for the group A. My name is Catherine Alvarez and we are going to learn about linguistic diversity in this video. Well, essentially, linguistic diversity is the different way in which human beings communicate through language. That is to say, the different languages that exist in a certain space that can be a continent, a country, a group of people, etc. Well, for this, we are going to look at several topics such as age, gender, socioeconomic status, register, code switching, and regional variations. Let's start with linguistic diversity in relation to age. Well, when a child is acquiring a language, his fluency is not good because his language is still developing. For instance, practicing a tongue twister with the sound s and sh. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Well, now, in adolescence, we can observe teenagers adapting new words or expressions. For instance, when teenagers use certain expressions such as, "Oh my God," "Hello," "just in case," "I don't know," to differentiate themselves from older generations. But communication styles can interfere between age groups. For instance, when a person addresses someone older, his or her manner is formal. Well, and when a person is in a group of friends, the manner is informal. Thank you.
Hello, Miss. My name is Katia Bueno, and I'm going to talk about gender as a linguistic variation. So first, we can observe the following example. Okay, class, please. Today we are going to describe this picture. So can you help me, Luis? What's up, Miss? Yes. Well, I can see a girl. So she holding flowers, and maybe she's a park, I think. Yeah. Thank you for your comment, Luis. So, Juanita, please. Yes, Miss. Well, I love her dress. She's really cute, doesn't she? So, she is holding a bunch of flowers. Maybe her boyfriend gave her. Oh, it's really cute. It's a really gift. I come back. So, can you see the difference? We have two groups, female and male. Boys are direct and assertive. They tend to be more rude, and his speech is like short with few emotions, while women are more expressive, which we use intensifies to demonstrate our attention, and our speech is extensive and emotional. So, we are going to talk about socioeconomics. Now, well, in this field, this depends on education and social background. A person with a low education can make mistakes and the message can be altered. But a person with a higher economic status can use a sophisticated vocabulary or specific words or adjectives. So please, can you see the following example? Okay, students, it's Monday, so what did you do this weekend, please, Camila? Yes, miss, I went to cinema with my parents and had dinner at an exclusive restaurant. Thank you. Now, Juanita, please. Yes, miss, I stayed home and I helped my mom with the market. Go back, please. Well, in this example, both answers are okay. By their speech, we can understand the vocabulary and their lifestyle.
Hi everyone, I'm Diana Suki, and in this brief segment we'll explore two fascinating aspects of linguistic diversity for sociolect and register. This is two aspects for the linguistic you are talking. Group express itself. This can include their vocabulary, their pronunciation of words, and even the expression they use. I'm going to show you for informal interaction. Okay, Exams number 1. What's up, dude? Did you do the homework? Okay, yeah, I got it here and a little wrote but done. Okay, and these answers is a similar tone for the maybe sharing. Okay, yeah. Number 2 is the formal participation. Okay, let me see. Okay, for my perspective, consider the data presented in significant correlation. Here we see how to the social context influence in our way of speaking. Point number 2 is the register. And registers refers to how we adapt our language depending of the situation and where we're talking to, and what is the what of purpose. Hey, how's that graph thing going? Did you figure it out? How to connect it to this? Okay. For this part, this is informal tone is using to slang in a colloquial expression. This is the expression for the learning for the sociolect and register, and now how's to the way of expressing myself and change drastically depending to how to more interacted with him.
Hello everybody, my name is Kevin Gonzalez, and in this video I will talk about the code switching and the regional variation. First, we are going to start with the code switching. Code switching is the alternating use of two or more language within the same conversation, sentences, or communicative situation. It often occurs in bilingual or multilingual settings. We as teachers use this code switching when we are giving classes to our students, because they do not understand always what we are saying. So for that reason, we use the first language and the second language to give the instructions or something to our students. Now we are going to have an example. In this case, I will be a teacher, and when we are in the class, we say, for example, please take out your notebooks y escriban la fecha. Okay, so we use some things where as to can give our instructions. For example, me as teacher, with this phrase, I will say, please students, take the notebook and write the fecha y escriban la fecha. Okay, we are using two languages to can explain something. Now we have the regional variation. Okay, when we talk about regional variation, we refers to the different language use, for example, vocabulary, pronunciation, or grammar that occurs between speakers from different geographical areas of the same language. For example, we have United States, we have United Kingdom, we have Canada, and other countries that have speakers of English as the first language. Now, for an example, we are going to have two students, one student of Ecuador and other students of United Kingdom. So we are going to see how these two students say something to another student, to another classmate. Hey, please, I need help, please. Do you have a pen? Hey, Michael, please, can you help me? I need a biro. Do you have one? In this example, we watch two students that need a pen or a biro, as you want to understand, and they use the different words to refer to the same object. This is the regional variation, and this is how it acts. So that's all about our video. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it, and the most important, that you understand all the topics that we talk about. Thank you, and see you in the next video.